Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channels Nath Online Classes. Today I Vidyasagar is present in front of class 8 to discuss subject science. Please like, subscribe and share it with all of you. Today I am here to discuss about the characteristics of synthetic fibers and natural fibers. Here you have to also concentrate on the differences between synthetic and natural fibers, how we can differentiate each others. So first let us start with general characteristics of synthetic fibers. You should know about it that synthetic fibers have high toughness and tensile strength in comparison of natural fibers, and it also have low weights, so it is much lighter than natural fibers, and it is good insulator of heat and electricity, so that it cannot allow heat and electricity to pass through itself. Now, one main characteristics of synthetic fiber is that it is not affected by air and water, and also it is not affected by acid and alkalis. So these are the main characteristics of synthetic fibers you should remember. And now I am going to discuss about the differences between synthetic fibers and the natural fibers. So here there are two columns in which one side synthetic fibers and another side natural fibers are written. Now, how we can differentiate? So first we differentiate it on the basis of toughness and tensile strength. Tensile strength means which has more elasticity. On the basis of these things, we can say synthetic fibers have more toughness, while natural fibers have less toughness, and it has more tensile strength, that is high tensile strength, and it has low tensile strength. Now, second differences between synthetic fibers and natural fibers are it is not affected by acid and alkalis, and the natural fiber may be damaged, and generally it is damaged by acids and alkalis. You have seen it while using your clothes. Now, it is not affected by air and water, and it is slowly damaged by water. Its color may be damaged, and its life also get reduces with the water, and it is much lighter and not so lighter like synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are lighter in nature, but natural fibers are heavier than synthetic fibers. So these are the differences between synthetic and natural fibers. And one more thing you should note it, that how we can able to identify the pure natural and synthetic fibers. If you are going to buy a cloth, then please keep it in mind while burning it left some ash, but synthetic fibers cannot left ash, it make paste on burning. One thing, and another things, it is get burned easily, natural fibers, but synthetic fibers doesn't get burned easily. And it is identified with the process ash and smells, and smells of cotton fibers are not bad, but smells of synthetic fibers are bad. So on burning we can identify the main differences between synthetic and the natural fibers. So please note it. The fibers are identified on the basis of burning. So these are the things you should remember in this videos, and in next video I will come again with some new topics and interesting topics. Till that I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.